What if I told you that right now, while you are watching this, a content creator just like you is creating an entire week's worth content in less than 3 hours? And they are reaching an audience in 12 different countries without hiring a single extra person, without expensive equipment, without even turning on their camera. So, does this sound interesting? Now, before we begin, I need to be completely transparent with you. This is an official partnership course with ACool. They've compensated me to create this training, and I earn commission if you purchase through my links in this course. I want you to know this upfront because your trust matters more than anything. I've been using ACool for a year and generally believe it solves the real problems for content creators and educators. But I will also share its limitations, frustrations through this course. Okay, so you deserve the full picture, not just marketing hype. Okay, so 6 months ago, I was exactly where you might be right now. I was spending every Sunday, my supposed day off, recording my educational videos. My back hurts from sitting at my desk for hours, and my family was eating dinner without me again. And I remember one particular Sunday when my son knocked on my office door. So he said, "Are you still working on that same course module?" he asked. And I had been recording and re-recording the same 20-minute lesson for 4 hours because either I kept stumbling over my words or they were not understandable enough. That's when I realized something had to change. It's enough. I was an educator, not a video production specialist. And I was spending 80% of my time on technical stuff and only 20% of what actually I loved. And that's teaching and helping students transform their lives. So here is what the research actually shows, and I'm giving you verified data, not marketing claims. So according to McKinsey's 2024 global survey of over 1,300 organizations, 72% have adopted AI in their latest business functions. In education specifically, AI tools are improving productivity by 50 to 40% depending on the task. Now, I know 15 to 40% doesn't sound as sexy as 10x faster, but here is why this matters. These are real achievable gains you can actually hit. When I personally started using AI video tools, I went from spending 8 hours on a course module to about 4 to 5 hours, and that's roughly 40% faster. And that 3 hours savings per module adds up incredibly fast when you are creating multiple courses or multiple videos. As for income, the creator economy data shows average earnings of $44,000 annually, with only 4% of creators earning over $100,000. And I'm not going to promise you six-figure income from AI tools, but I will show you how to reclaim your 10 to 20 hours per week, which you can reinvest in growing your business, serving more students, or actually having a life outside work. So since content creation can mean anything from gaming to podcast, I will focus specifically on the educational business to show you how these AI tools work in a real-world context. When you use AI tools designed specifically for educators, 4 amazing things happen. First, you get your time back, and we are talking about cutting creation time ideally from 20 plus hours to just 3 hours per week, and I will show you how in this course. Second, you can reach students globally, so instead of just locally. One click and your content speaks Spanish, Mandarin, Portuguese, or any other language. Third, you maintain a professional presence without constantly being on camera. Your AI avatar delivers content consistently even when you are sleeping. And fourth, and this is the big one, educators using these tools are seeing their revenue grow by 200 to 300%. So you might be wondering, with so many options, why focus on just one? one tool. So this course features aCool because, in my professional opinion, it outshines the rest, and I will show you why. So here is what makes aCool different. While other platforms like Synthesia or HeyGen make you jump between different tools, aCool brings everything together. It's built specifically for content creators and educators who want results, not complexity. So let me show you exactly what I mean. With aCool's Face Swap feature, you can create viral educational content that actually gets shared. And remember those boring talking head videos nobody watched? Now you can put your educational content into trending formats that students actually want to watch and share. And the AI Avatar tool, it's your teaching assistant that never gets tired. Record yourself once and your avatar can deliver unlimited lessons, answers FAQs, and provide support 24/7. What do you think? Do students trust these AI avatars? So what do you think? That's a good question. If you want, you can share your thoughts during our course in the comment section below this video. Now, what students trust these avatars when they are done right, with 90% accuracy rates in actual university studies. The video translation feature opened doors you didn't even know existed. That course you created for your local community, it can now reach students in Tokyo, in Sao Paulo, in Paris, without hiring translators, without re-recording anything. And the real magic, all these tools work together seamlessly. You're not learning 3 different platforms, you are mastering one system that handles everything. So here's what I want you to do right now. Don't just watch this course, experience it. Open aCool in another tab, and I will put the link in the description, and keep it open as we go through each module. When I show you something, try it immediately, and when you sign up, you will get some free credits you can use for this course. And by the end of this course, you will have created your first AI-powered educational content, not in weeks or months, today. And more importantly, you will have a system that saves you over $3,000 a year while multiplying your income. So if this sounds okay, so please join me so we can make this leap together. Let's dive into module 1 and I will show you exactly how to get started. Your future audience and your future self will thank you for taking this step today.